Hello friends, today I am going to share a great news with you, that is Benazir Bhutto Shaheed University Lyari, Karachi has announced its admission in various morning programs that are very much important in this modern age. So let's see the schedule.
So dear students, if you are willing to apply for Doctor of Pharmacy means D.Pharm, then the last date for application will be Wednesday 23rd November 2022. And if you are willing to apply for computer science, IT, BBA, commerce, education, English and other programs, then the last date for applications will be Wednesday 30 November 2022. However, entry test for program Doctor of Pharmacy D.Pharm will be conducted on Sunday 27 November 2022, and entry test for other programs which I mentioned earlier will be on Sunday 4th December 2022. The application processing fee will be 2000 for each program. If you are willing to apply for any program, you have to submit 2000 to any branch of Sindh Bank and then fill the form and apply for program of your choice. Dear candidates, you have to pass entry test to get admission in program of your choice. I share here the admission criteria for each program separately.
Doctor of Pharmacy D.Pharm is a 5-year degree that is consisted of 10 semesters. The minimum requirements for admission in a D.Pharm is a 60% in intermediate pre-medical group or equivalent examination. BS Computer Science is a 4-year degree that is consisted of 8 semesters. The minimum requirements for admission in BS Computer Science is at least 50% marks in intermediate examination with pre-engineering or equivalent qualification. BS Information Technology is also 4 years degree that is consisted of 8 semesters. The minimum requirements for admission in BA's Information Technology is at least 50% marks in intermediate examination with the mathematics or equivalent qualification. BBA is a 4 years degree that is also consisted of 8 semesters. The minimum requirements for admission in BBA is at least 50% marks in intermediate examination with the arts, science, commerce, or equivalent qualification. BS Commerce is a 4 years degree that is consisted of 8 semesters. The minimum requirements for admissions in BS Commerce is at least 50% marks in intermediate examination with arts, science, commerce, or equivalent qualification. BS Accounting and Finance is also 4 years degree that is consisted of 8 semesters. The minimum requirements for admissions in BS Accounting and Finance is at least 50% marks in intermediate examination with arts, science, and commerce or equivalent qualification. BS English is a 4 years degree that is consisted of 8 semesters. The minimum requirements for admissions in BS English is 45% marks in intermediate examination with arts, science, commerce, or equivalent qualification. BS Education is a 4 years degree that is consisted of 8 semesters. The minimum requirements for admissions in BS Education is at least 45% marks in intermediate examination with arts, science, commerce, or equivalent qualification. B.Ed 1.5 years degree. The minimum requirement for admission in B.Ed 1.5 years degree is at least 45% marks in Masters. B.Ed 2.5 years degree. The minimum requirement is at least 45% marks in graduation for admission in B.Ed 2.5 years degree.
If you have passed the 14-year education means BA, BCom, BSc or etc., then you may apply for these programs. MBA 1.5 years degree is consisted of 7 semesters. The admission requirement for MBA 1.5 years is a 45% marks in graduation 16 years education. m.phil in education. The admission requirement for m.phil education is a 45% marks in BS education or Masters in education and other HEC requirements.